In this instructional video, we'll go over the steps to replace the rollers in cassette tray 1 and 2. Please note, all 3 cassette rollers, pickup, feed, and separation, must be replaced in unison to ensure proper feeding. Step 1. Remove paper tray 1 and 2. Step 2. Remove the retainer clip. Step 3. Remove the feed roller bracket. Step 4. Remove the pickup roller and feed roller. Step 5. Remove the separation roller retainer clip. Step 6. Remove the separation roller. Install the new separation roller and the retainer clip. Step 7. Install the new pickup roller and feed roller. Step 8. Replace the feed roller bracket and retainer clip. Step 9. Replace paper tray 1 and paper tray 2.